Well, we was about to go in when Missy started traveling, exploring into the forest, sniffing for something. We just don't know what quite yet. So I'm going to follow her quietly now. What is it? I want to get some GoPros and throw them on them, you guys, sometime. That'd be hilarious. Oh my God, if you guys only knew, they'd love to go out in that farm field, and I would love to catch some with a GoPro in that farm field. What you doing, Apollo? You having a good night? Huh? You're a good boy. He's a nice boy. Yes, I love you. And there's Mama. They really, this time of night, you know, it's just after 9. They get sleepy, but want to get going too at the same time. I know. They're just so busy. Missy Moo! There she is. You see her? She's fast. All right. We love you guys. I don't know which one to focus on. Look at her. She's smelling something. Did you see that cute little stand she did and everything? Wow. That must be the Jack Russell in her. Or the Shih Tzu. Or the pom-pom teddy bear. I'm not really sure. But somebody called her a mutt, and I was like, I got your mutt, Missy. Huh? Didn't we? Mama got all upset and offended. We don't pick on people and their pets, do we? Nope. Nope, we don't. Missy, come. Come on. Come on. Let's tell these guys good night. Hey. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Say good night. Say good night. We love you guys. Bye.